Hello. So today I'm going to talk to you about when things go wrong, because this is what's happened to me today. And sharing this is probably the best way to explain where you have to be adaptable when you are creating a video for social media. My plan for today was to talk about being on brand, which is important, and being consistent. But of course the British weather means that I can't go outside and talk about the consistency or the inconsistency of nature. So I've had to revamp and rethink and adapt. So I'm back in the office in front of my backdrop. There is building work going on outside, so there is noise. So if you hear that bang, 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 that is the background noise. Now, if you're on a proper shoot, we would stop and film and stop and film and try and edit out that noise. But for today, I want it there if it's going to be there. So yes, adaptability and not getting stuck in what must happen is how you have to approach a video for social media or for a webinar, or alternatively a corporate video, because nothing has to be perfect. It just has to be good enough.